Hi guys, it's me again, Christine Escarda, your sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Abad Santos. So for today's video, nandito po ako ngayon sa loob ng Expander Cross 2025. Samahan niyo po ako, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang interior at exterior ni Expander. Tara! So guys, meet the new Expander Cross Dynamic Shield Concept. Ang kulay niya ay sunrise orange, metallic, with black roof. T-shaped headlamps, equipped with 3 projector LED lights. At ito naman ang kanyang engine, 1.5 inline 4 Dock 16 valves with MIVEC. (17-inch) alloy wheels. Expander Cross has T-shaped tail lights, LED combination tail lights. Equipped na rin siya ng spoiler for more sporty look. And also the backing up camera. So guys, dito naman tayo sa interior ni Expander Cross. Dito makikita ang electronic control sa driver's seat. At ito naman sa side mirror. And here's the 8 inches digital LCD meter cluster. And the 4-spoke steering wheel leather wrap. Dito makikita ang hands-free control. Pwedeng sumagot ng tawag, hinaan or lakasan yung sounds. And equipped na rin siya ng cruise control. Yan. At ito naman ang kanyang SDA or Smartphone Link Display Audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital air conditioning controls, toggle switches. At guys, keyless nga pala si Expander Cross. So ayan ang kanyang push start button. At ito po ang electric parking brake. Sa seat cover naman, high quality leather, navy blue and black color, with heat guard function. Ayan, super spacious. O nga pala guys, 7-seater capacity si Expander Cross. Yan. And equipped na rin siya ng SRS airbags. So ayun guys, naipakita ko na po sa inyo ang exterior at interior ni Expander Cross 2025. Kung gusto niyo po siyang ma-avail, kontakin niyo lang po ako sa number ko na to. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Christine Escarda. Thank you! Bye-bye!